to add subtitles to a video that has been uploaded to YouTube. We can do it manually by using the features in YouTube Studio, even though YouTube has a tool to automatically generate subtitles. Sometimes that feature doesn't work optimally. For those of you who don't want to bother typing subtitles or captions manually, we can use the CapCut application via PC to create an SRT format file, which can be uploaded for the content that we have. On the initial interface in CapCut, create a new project. After that, import the video that you want to create subtitles for. On the Tools menu, select Text, and then select Auto Captions. Select the language for the audio used in the video. If the language setting has been set, select Create. Wait until the process of creating auto captions is successful. If the audio sound in your video is heard clearly, this feature will work optimally. If the subtitle has been created, we can edit it first if there are words that are not right, or the duration of placement for words is not appropriate. To make it easier when editing text in subtitles, enlarge the font from the Text Settings panel. Step: make sure you already have the font you want to import. Example. Download one of the fonts from the DaFont website. If everything is correct, select Export at the top right. I'll type in the title first. The next step, and check the video exporting section. Make sure the export audio section is checked. This setting is only for exporting a sound and text file in SRT format. If everything is set, select Export. After the export process has been successful, click Open Folder to see the results. If the SRT file is clicked, it will be opened through a text editor software. In this file, the words are listed according to the duration. To upload the file, you only need to go to the subtitles settings on the video in YouTube Studio. Click the 3 vertical dots in the Edit Timing section. In the file type settings, I select with timing. Click Continue. Then look for the SRT file that was created earlier. And now the file for the subtitle has been uploaded. If you usually use the Pixellab application to create or edit images and need to add a new custom font, the method is quite easy. All files displayed are in accordance with the duration that has been created using CapCut. If you want to add video subtitles on YouTube for multiple languages, you can watch a video that I made before. Thank you for watching, and see you in another tutorial video.